Should we learn computers in connection with AI? In the modern world, AI is no longer a distant dream or a concept confined to science fiction. It's here, and it's everywhere, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, to self-driving cars, and advanced healthcare solutions. The question arises, should we learn computers with the connection to AI? And if so, why is AI so dominant at this point in time? As we step into an era where artificial intelligence seems to be taking the forefront of technological advancements, how do we ensure that we are not swept away in its tide? And most crucially, who is truly responsible when AI goes wrong? AI's rise has been nothing short of rapid. It promises efficiency, intelligence, and creativity that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. But in embracing this new age, we must ask ourselves, what should we consider before diving into the realm of AI? How can we use it responsibly, ensuring it doesn't spiral into something dangerous? Should we, as individuals, industries, or even governments, shoulder the blame when AI crosses its boundaries? These are the critical questions that must be addressed as we continue our journey with AI. Introduction. Over the past few decades, the rapid development of computer technology has transformed almost every aspect of human life. With the birth of artificial intelligence, a new wave of innovation has arrived that is reshaping industries, economies, and societies. But AI is more than just an advanced tool. It's rapidly becoming an essential part of the way we interact with the world. From machine learning algorithms that personalize our online experience, to deep learning systems that drive autonomous vehicles, AI has found its way into almost every sector. But why is AI so dominant now? What makes it such a critical force in shaping the future? And perhaps more importantly, how can we navigate the complexities and risks that come with it? These questions are not only for tech experts or innovators, but for anyone who uses technology, from school children to industry leaders. Why is AI so dominant today? The reason AI is so dominant today lies in the convergence of several technological advancements. First, the exponential growth in computing power has made it possible to process massive amounts of data in real time. AI algorithms thrive on data, and with the internet and the advent of big data, there's more of it than ever. The power of machine learning and deep learning algorithms is amplified when they are fed this abundant data, allowing them to learn from patterns and improve their predictions over time. Second, the development of specialized hardware such as graphics processing units, GPUs, has allowed for faster processing of complex tasks, particularly in areas like image and speech recognition. With this increased computational ability, AI systems have become faster, more accurate, and more efficient. Third, AI's growth has been accelerated by open-source platforms and frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, which have democratized access to advanced AI tools. This has led to a surge of innovation, as researchers and developers around the world can now collaborate and improve upon each other's work. Moreover, the ability of AI to automate routine tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, and even make decisions autonomously, makes it a highly attractive tool for industries looking to boost efficiency and reduce costs. Whether in healthcare, finance, education, or entertainment, AI offers unmatched potential for transformation. The importance of learning computers in connection with AI. As AI continues to evolve, it's essential that we understand the technologies driving this transformation. Learning computers in connection with AI isn't just for aspiring data scientists or engineers, it's for everyone. In a world where AI is increasingly influencing how we live, work, and interact, understanding its mechanics can empower us to use these tools effectively and responsibly. Learning AI gives us an edge in terms of career opportunities. In fields like medicine, transportation, entertainment, and even law, AI expertise is becoming a sought-after skill. Understanding how AI works, what it can do, and where its limits lie can help individuals and businesses make informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and stay competitive. Moreover, knowing how AI systems work allows us to recognize when they might go wrong. As with any powerful tool, AI carries risks. Bias in algorithms, data privacy concerns, and ethical dilemmas are just a few of the challenges that must be addressed as we integrate AI into our lives. Learning about AI enables us to identify these issues early on and push for solutions that make AI safer, more inclusive, and more beneficial for society as a whole. How can we stay safe from using AI the wrong way? While AI has enormous potential to do good, it's important to recognize the risks associated with its use. The first step to ensuring we don't misuse AI is to educate ourselves. Understanding the underlying mechanics, limitations, and ethical concerns of AI is crucial. For example, machine learning models can sometimes produce biased results if the data they are trained on is biased. AI systems in criminal justice, for instance, have been known to disproportionately target marginalized communities. By learning about these issues, we can help ensure that AI is used in a fair and unbiased manner. Another crucial aspect to consider is transparency. AI systems, particularly those based on deep learning, can often function as black boxes, meaning their decision-making processes are not easily understood by humans. This lack of transparency can lead to misuse or unintentional harm. For instance, when AI is used in decision-making systems for hiring, lending, or criminal justice, the inability to explain why a particular decision was made can result in accountability issues. Advocating for transparent and explainable AI is essential in minimizing these risks. Ethical considerations also play a central role in AI safety. With AI's ability to influence political outcomes, spread misinformation, and infringe on privacy, it's important to think about how these technologies are used and by whom. Ethical guidelines for AI use, combined with strong regulatory frameworks, can help ensure that AI is aligned with human values and serves the public good. Who is responsible for AI damage? AI in itself is not inherently good or bad. It is a tool, and its impact largely depends on how it is used. But when AI goes wrong, who should be held accountable? Is it the developers who created the algorithms, the companies that deploy these systems, or the policymakers who failed to regulate its use? The responsibility for AI damage is not always clear-cut, but one thing is certain: it must be shared. Developers need to create ethical guidelines and prioritize fairness and transparency in their algorithms. Companies must ensure that AI is being used in ways that benefit society and are aligned with ethical principles. Governments need to regulate AI and ensure that it is deployed in ways that protect human rights, prevent harm, and mitigate risks. Ultimately, AI's impact depends on human decisions. We as a society must be aware of the risks and take proactive steps to avoid misuse. Whether it's lobbying for stronger regulations or demanding more transparency in AI systems, everyone has a role to play in ensuring that AI benefits humanity rather than causing harm. What should we do and not do when using AI? When it comes to using AI, there are several do's and don'ts that should guide our decisions. What we should do: educate yourself about AI. Understanding AI, its capabilities, limitations, and ethical implications is the first step toward using it responsibly. Use AI for good. Leverage AI to solve real-world problems, like improving healthcare, advancing scientific research, and addressing climate change. Advocate for regulation. Support policies that ensure AI is used safely, transparently, and ethically. Ensure that AI systems are explainable and accountable. Be mindful of bias. Recognize that AI can perpetuate biases if not carefully designed. Work toward creating inclusive and fair AI systems. Keep privacy in mind. Be aware of data privacy concerns when using AI systems, especially those that collect and analyze personal information. What we should not do: rely solely on AI for decision-making. While AI can assist with decision-making, it should never replace human judgment entirely, especially in areas with moral and ethical considerations. Ignore ethical concerns. Cutting corners when it comes to ethical considerations can lead to harmful consequences, especially when it comes to privacy, bias, and security. Use AI for malicious purposes. AI can be easily weaponized or used for harmful purposes. We must be vigilant in ensuring AI isn't used to manipulate, harm, or deceive people. Neglect transparency. AI systems should not operate in secrecy. Without transparency, users lose trust in the system, and potential harms can go unnoticed. Conclusion. As AI continues to shape the future, it is crucial that we approach it with both enthusiasm and caution. Learning about computers and AI is no longer optional, it's a necessity. Understanding how AI works, how to use it responsibly, and how to mitigate its risks is essential for individuals, businesses, and governments. While AI holds incredible potential to enhance our lives, its misuse or lack of regulation could have disastrous consequences. By being informed, vigilant, and ethical in our use of AI, we can ensure that this technology serves humanity, not the other way around. The future is bright with AI, but it's up to us to guide it toward a path of positive impact.